When you make your investment in a mod cut, it typically comes with a variety of different torches. What we show here is our 180-degree torch. We also have a 45-degree torch and a 90-degree torch because you may need those for various applications. And they're a quick change with our quick disconnect below. But those are the three main options that we have for robotic torches. We also have a much longer torch called a machine torch that could be used in this situation as well. This is what we call our mini robotic torch. We have a longer one, and if you have a need for that, that option's available as well. The torch you see on this particular model today is the 180-degree torch, but in some cases you may need another version of this, and it's either a 90 or a 45-degree. The reason you would use one of those two torches is, for example, if you have pipe and you have the arm trying to go up underneath a little more and do a bigger arc, or you have certain types of channel and coping where this particular torch is going to be more difficult to maneuver with the arm, you can use those different torches, and those will allow you to reach into tighter places and also with different torch center points in order to make the application work better.